Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and Ikjavan. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming videos. Soy Bajli Gashi. The name itself evokes wonderful vision of a unique, colorful, and aromatic gashi. This is a special for any function, feast, and most look forward to in any temple sampradayam. This recipe is the Cochin GSB version. Let's see the recipe for Kukka Soy Bajli Gashi. The key ingredient is a copra or a dry matured coconut. Slice thinly and grate in a mixer. You can also use a matured coconut and grate it as usual. Take half a cup of tightly packed grated coconut and roast it in a thick bottomed or non-stick kadai over a medium flame. When it has turned brown, add 1 tablespoon of urad dal for thickness, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds for flavor, and a teaspoon of methi for aroma. The quantities you add can vary according to your personal taste. When it has turned dark brown, add a quarter teaspoon of haldi and some chilies which have been roasted in a teaspoon of oil. Chilies should be added according to your spice tolerance. You may also deep fry the copra slices and roast the other ingredients. When cooled, grind the mixture. Add water while grinding only if necessary. This is called the masool and forms the basis of all varieties of soy bajli gashis. Pressure cook 3/4 of a cup of tur dal with chunks of 1 large unpeeled potato and 1 piece of Malabar tamarind or darbia sol as we call it. The unpeeled potato adds flavor to the gashi. If darbia sol is not available, add 1 large tomato. Add salt according to its sourness. The salt I have added is only slightly sour and hence more salt is to be added. Add water to the cooked dal according to the required consistency and salt to taste. If you are serving the gashi as a side dish, keep it thick. If it is to be served as a main curry, keep it thin. You can now remove the darbia salt. When the dal is boiling, add the masool. Mix well and let simmer for a few minutes. Now it's ready to be served. With this basic masool, you can make many varieties like chono, sonu and drumstick gashi, or white chana with tender jackfruit gashi, or turi dal with breadfruit gashi. You can also add mango instead of salt and make this gashi which is called ABCD gashi. It has ambo, bikand, chono and drumstick. You can also replace chono with ovro or field beans. For more details, refer to our blog post at kkaj.in.